Pánjin City, a main rice-producing area in northeast China's Liaoning province, has entered its spring farming season with the latest technologies applied this year. The city's high-quality rice has won popularity across China thanks to favorable natural conditions. To further increase grain yield and improve quality, Pánjin has been constantly developing new technologies and cultivating new varieties of rice.
我们育苗的过程也很规范，就是说全都是自动化管理。我们从那个根儿上开始抓质量，从就是育苗开始用的是有机肥，有机土也是有机土。
According to local agricultural department, with improved quality of the rice seedlings, the yield is expected to increase by 50 kilograms per mu.